The engine codes P0053, P0054, and P0055 all indicate a problem with the heated oxygen sensor heater resistance being out of range on engine bank 1. Specifically, code P0053 points to an issue with the upstream sensor 1, while codes P0054 and P0055 both identify a fault in the downstream sensor 2 and sensor 3, respectively. Here is one of the most practical solutions to fix these error codes. The heated oxygen sensor. This heated oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Sensor number 2 is usually the downstream sensor behind the converter. Sensor number 3 is downstream of the last catalyst in the exhaust system. Visually check the heated oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the heated oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.